so thoughtful. They are not harming any mopeds.
We are heading towards getting our SSN right now, and of course I cannot shoot inside. I hope you watched the previous videos, and this is in continuation. So I think somewhere week 4 to week 12 is the third month now that we are going to start. So I've documented few bits from month 1 till month 3, and do watch the previous videos as well, how we lived in the basement when we moved to the US from India and so on. We are living in San Jose and are headed to San Francisco. The temperature here in San Jose as on June is 30 degrees, but San Francisco is going to be 20 degrees. So we have come equipped with our arsenal. We have our jackets here and on the back. So let's see how cold or hot it's going to be. Oh, also, and I forgot to introduce myself. Hi, this is Parita. You hear that SF wind, right? And I love the greenery here and the city vibe. It's day 22 in California today, and we've come to see the Golden Gate Bridge. It's said that the gate is very shy and doesn't show itself to you on your first visit. So you have to come here multiple times. So do you think I'll be lucky enough to see the gate today? Let me know in the comments below. We parked our car here. It was $5 for a couple of hours and $15 for an entire day. It is called Presidio, the area where the closest was Golden Gate Vista Viewpoint. These guys, they also have free shuttles which go around the park that you can see here. You can Google for more information. I think this is the best way to see the city. I'm not sure if it has a guided tour or not, but I usually prefer a guided tour. There are multiple spots to see the Golden Gate Bridge, but this is the one that we decided on because it was the easiest for us. And as luck had it, June probably wasn't the best time. There are running tracks and cycling tracks here. I really don't know how people are doing this in this wind and this temperature. No luck, that's the Golden Gate Bridge. I absolutely love knowing the history, the architecture, the science, the physics behind every humongous man-made structure that has been made. And you guys can pause these pictures and have a look at it yourself if this interests you. It was really interesting on how they have prevented and seen the tectonic plates and any other natural calamities. We then moved forward to a coffee place because it is so windy. And yeah, that's Kunal. Cutie for us. And this is just me annoying him.
क्या?
We ordered an Italian sandwich and hot chocolate, and both of them were nice. This franchise is supposed to be pretty famous in the SF region. And it was time to return to our parking, and the entire view and the way back looked like I am in either Munnar or Ooty. Look at these birds, they were so close to me and I did not have to zoom in much. These greens absolutely blew my mind, and that's the Presidio mark. My hands were literally freezing. This was our first failed attempt at seeing the Golden Gate Bridge, and let's hope we get lucky the next time. We'll keep you posted.
recently rented a car from San Jose Airport, which is the closest to our house where we are currently residing. And the company is helping us out with this, and we've rented a Jeep. He's gotten used to it. It's taken some time because the roads are completely opposite, left, right. These signs are different. Our friends are helping us out very nicely. But yeah, he's gotten a hang of it very easily in just 3 days. So
there's this patch of these ceramic looking houses which are extremely beautiful and pastel colors mixed with a lot of trees. It is a sight to behold.
the car mechanics is a little different here. We have parking reverse neutral drive with a touch of with a turning of a knob. That's a rotator. And we also have these variants. So we are on auto right now, depending upon where we are and what we are doing.
I cannot believe this is the traffic that people were warning us about Sunday evening. I think I should call them to Mumbai to see what real traffic looks like.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kunal. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lily. Happy birthday to you. What a guy.
Our friend Tejas helping us out with jet spray, which somehow didn't work, and let's hope we manage to get a jet spray for ourselves soon. This is us heading towards our friend's wedding, a real exciting one. He had booked an Airbnb overlooking the mountains and entire Californian side. There was a peacock as well on the property, which was really surprising, but I wish that the peacock was not in a cage. But yeah, the entire house looked like a castle, and those trees reminded me of Italy. Just loved everything about this evening and wishing our friends all the best for the future. How I absolutely loved this place. It's called Shoreline Lake, and there's kayak, and you can do activities. You can have a picnic here on this grass. It was the perfect temperature, perfect mixture of wind, sun, and pleasant temperature. I love this place. And just like that, in the evening it was time for us to go for a party in a disco, clubbing, and where our friend organized everything. We went to San Francisco in a club called Temple. Thanks to YouTube copyright, I have muted these songs and videos, but I'm sure it's not difficult to guess which song it was. And right when we were enjoying, our friend Richie surprised us with this beautiful welcome. It was so heartwarming and touching. It really made us happy. If you guys are in San Francisco ever, you should definitely attend these Bollywood in Hollywood parties which our friend organizes. This one was in a club called Temple in San Francisco. Some absolutely delicious South Indian thali on Sunday morning, some misal pav, homemade smoothie, and a speakeasy bar evening. It has passed for us in California here, and we are here to take some printouts. We are going to walk in for our SSN appointment tomorrow, and are keeping our fingers crossed that we can wind that up tomorrow, because otherwise we will not get our driver's license without SSN. I went to DMV today, and they told me that if we require SSN for our driver's license, the system itself will not let us go ahead, and or if our documents are fine, then the system will let us go ahead without a requirement of SSN. So we need a car because Kunal's job is sales, and he has to go for meetings every day. So this is on an extremely urgent basis because the rental and Uber return spends are getting a little expensive. Of course, we'll get it reimbursed. We are in a library here in San Jose, and we need to make some payments here, and it's a very long process to get a simple printout done over here. For each page, I think we are spending around 5 minutes, which is very difficult and is testing our patience. So these are the charges. For color it's 46 cents, black and white it's 15 cents. Thankfully it's not that expensively priced, and because a credit card is going to charge 40 cents more, and we do not have a credit card as of now, we have used our Chase debit account to create an account in this Vepa app and loaded money, which would avoid a lot of transactional charges, money conversion charges, markups, and this 40 cent per printout. And I really found this thoughtful that they have free library membership, so you guys can come in anytime, read a book whichever you want. You can watch any movie that you want by borrowing it from here. Really thoughtful. Here's another day, and we've decided to go to San Francisco again. This time we are trying our luck again to see the Golden Gate Bridge. Let me know in the comments if you feel that we will be able to see it soon or not. This was a different route that we took today because our friends were staying somewhere else. Love the Pacific Ocean, which pops up here and there again and again. Love the city life of San Francisco because it reminds me so much of Mumbai. As a 30-year-old who's born and brought up in Mumbai, lived their life in such a busy city, this city in San Francisco really sparked some joy and happiness by these almost skyscrapers, busy life, lot of people around, lot of crowd around. This was a Palace of Arts. It's absolutely beautiful and majestic. I'm hoping to take a guided tour here one day. As of now, we just stopped by here for a couple of minutes with our friends and admired this gorgeous lake and these birds. Our friends also took us for a small picnic here near the Golden Gate Bridge viewpoint, and we almost had a glimpse of the Golden Gate Bridge. We are happy. We are heading towards getting our SSN right now, and of course I cannot shoot inside, but we are in San Jose area and let's go. Okay, so this door opened. So by the way, downtown San Jose has free parking for 90 minutes. There are a lot of public parking available. I am literally appalled by the space that they have given here for public parking. Just look around and there are literally no cars. First 90 minutes are free for parking, and then you are charged, I think, $2 for parking. Because Kunal's on L1 visa, we needed only I-94 and our passports to get our social security number done. We had taken an appointment a month prior, and I could tag along with Kunal. I did not require a separate appointment for this. It's going to be 2 months for us in the next 2 days, and we are here in Costco just winding up some things and picking up things for a house. And we saw a taco truck. We are ordering a taco. We spent last 10 minutes in translating from Spanish to English and back to place our order, mine without meat and yeah, Kunal's with meat. But yeah, it was a fun experience just going back and forth in Spanish and English.
Cheese? Okay. Okay, never mind. Cheese? Yeah.
So thoughtful, they are not harming any mopeds. I finished everything, whatever I had. I was too hungry. Kunal ordered soft shell tacos, and do you like it? I loved mine too.